How to wrap a gift. Hi guys, welcome back to AI Plus More. Today I'm going to be showing you how to wrap a gift. First off, we're going to need a gift, some wrapping paper, scissors, and tape. We want to be able to flip the box 3 times. So since this is a smaller box, I can actually turn it vertically to save some wrapping paper. Okay, so let's flip this 3 times. 1, 2, and 3. We want enough paper to fully cover the end of the box. And this is where we're going to flip this over and we're going to make sure it fully covers. And this is where we'll cut. So let's get our scissors and start cutting. So once it's cut, we want the top of the box facing the bottom of the paper. We're going to fold in the edges of the paper so we have a nice edge on our gift, and make sure it's a clean, straight fold. So we're going to get our first piece of tape and tape that on. And then we're going to repeat that method. Make sure you pull the paper to the end of the gift as much as you can so it'll look neat and tidy. So grab another piece of tape and tape it on the center of the gift to hold it in place. Okay, now we're going to flip over the box vertically to fold in the edges. First, we're going to fold in the center to make it a triangle. On the opposite side with extra paper, we have to tuck in the excess paper. We're going to repeat this process on the other side. Try to get the edges folded in as neat as possible. So once we're completed the triangles, we're going to fold in all the edges to make the gift look perfect. So make sure the crease is nice and clean. And we're going to grab a piece of tape in the center to hold. So we're going to repeat this on the other side. So on this side of the box, I had a little bit too much extra paper. That's going to make it a lot harder for me to fold in nicely. So I'll just trim about 1/2 inch off of the excess paper. So once I cut that off, I will still fold it in to make sure it's really nice and neat. And make sure the creases are still clean to make it look professional. Add a piece of tape to the center to hold it in place. And we're all done. Now you just need to add a bow, some ribbons, or a gift tag. I hope you guys enjoyed my video on how to wrap a gift. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. Bye guys!